Hello children, good morning. How are you all? You're all ready for our class, right? Yes? Very good children. Yesterday teacher gave you some work. Teacher told you about your brain and teacher told you to think about some activity also and discuss with your parents, right? You all might have discussed because you're all very good children. What did you discuss with your parents, Kashvi? Very good. See, Kashvi discussed with her parents about the brain. She told them brain receives signals and sends signals. Is it right? Yes, very good. Today also we will learn about some important internal organs. You know the internal organs, right? The organs which are inside the body are called internal organs. Yes, today shall we start learning about few more internal organs, children? Yes. Come on, look at the board, children. See this? This is a heart. Yes, children, you all might have seen doctors holding this. What is this, ma? They'll keep here like this. What is this? Ishan, what is this? Very good. It is a stethoscope. What will the doctor do with this? He will keep it like this and check how our heart is beating. You know children, our heart beats 72 times in a minute. Do you know that children? And what is our heart doing? You know that our heart is pumping blood to all other parts of our body. Yes, our heart is very important internal organ, right? It is pumping blood to all other parts of our body. And you know children, what is the size of our heart? Come on, show your hand like this. Close your thumb there. All the other fingers, turn it. Put it near your chest. Put it near your chest. Yes, this will be the size of your heart. Your heart will be in the size of your fist. That's it. It's very small, but it is pumping blood. Pumping, what is this? Pumping. Can you see this action? Yes, this is called pumping. Our heart is pumping blood to all the other organs of our body. Okay, children. Now, we should always do little exercises. We should be active, right? Then only our heart will be healthy. Okay, and we should also eat healthy foods also, right, to be healthy. Yes, we should eat healthy food. When we eat the healthy foods, where will it go? Can anybody tell me? Pranav, can you tell me where the food goes? Good, into your stomach. The food you eat will go into your stomach. Yes, children, what will happen to the food after going into the stomach? Yes, what will happen to that? The stomach will digest the food. It will convert the food into energy. Digesting is nothing but breaking down the food into energy. Okay, children? Next, see this? How your stomach looks? That stomachs look like a pouch. It is a pouch-like organ. Okay? It is a pouch-like. It looks like a pouch and it will digest the food. Okay? And can you see this picture, children? Can you see this? This is of kidneys. This picture is of kidneys. See, what will the kidneys do? They will remove waste from our body. Okay? They will remove the waste from our body. All the liquid waste they will send out in the form of urine. Okay, children? Do you know where our kidneys are located? In our abdominal part. Abdominal part means from the part from your hips to down, it is abdominal region. See, from the hips here, okay, touch your hips, little above, go back. So you can see your hips, you can feel your hips, right? Yes, your kidneys also located there. Okay, children, now shall we go on to the pictures and understand more about these internal organs? Shall we go? Get set, go! See these children, internal organs of our body. Yesterday we have learnt about the brain and lungs. Today we will see different pictures about other internal organs. See this is the picture of our heart. Our heart will look like this. Okay, heart is located in the chest between our two lungs. Okay, we have two lungs, right? In between the lungs our heart will be located. It is slightly tilted towards left side. Okay, next see this picture, children. Can you see this picture? See what is happening? Heart is pumping blood to all other parts of our body like this. Okay, as the blood flows, it carries with it all the nutrients and oxygen also. Okay, our lungs will help us to breathe, right? That oxygen, everything, it will be moved to all the other parts of the body along with the blood. Okay, so the heart pumps blood to the whole body. Our heart pumps blood to the whole body. Shall we go to the next picture? What is this, ma? Stomach. This is the picture of stomach. Stomach is a pouch-like organ. You all might have seen your pencil pouches like. It is also a pouch-like organ located below the chest. Okay, children. See this stomach. It participates in digestion of food. Our stomach helps us to digest the food, I said, right? See, this is your mouth. From the food pipe, when you take the food, this is the food pipe. The food will get into your stomach. Okay? From there, again, it will digest the food and send the energy. Okay, children? Stomach helps us to digest the food. Did you all see this picture? Shall I go to the next one? See this picture? These are our kidneys. Our kidneys will look like that. Like stomach, kidneys are also located in the abdominal region. I told about abdomen, right, children? Yes, kidneys removes liquid waste from our body. Like this, kidneys will be located in our body. Can you see this boy? Can you see this man? Yes. So the kidneys will remove liquid waste in the form of urine. Okay? Now you understood about the functioning of kidneys. Shall we go over to a fun time? Yes, fun time. Now teacher will ask you few riddles and you will answer them. Okay? See this, children? You should drink plenty of water to keep us healthy. Which part needs plenty of water? Think, think, think. Which part is removing the liquid waste from your body? Yes, that parts need plenty of water, right? Liquid means watery. Okay? See, we are kidneys. Okay, the answer for this, kidneys. See the second question, children. I am in the size of your fist. What is fist? Teacher told you, right? I beat roughly 72 times in a minute. Which part is that? I am in the size of your fist. I beat roughly 72 times in a minute. Who am I? Kashvi, can you tell me? Very good. It is the heart. See this one? The food you eat comes into me. I help in digesting it. The food you eat comes into me. I help in digesting it. Who am I? Which internal organ helps in digesting the food? Yes, it is our stomach. Nice, children. Our fun time was good with the riddles, right? Shall we go back to our board? Get, set, go. Okay, children. As part of our lesson, Our Amazing Body, we have learnt about 5 internal organs, right? Yes, we have learnt about 5 internal organs. What are they, children? We have learnt about brain. Our brain helps us to learn, think and remember. This is the important function of our brain. Next, we have learnt about lungs. Lungs helps us to breathe. Lungs helps us to breathe. Next, we have learned about heart. We have learned about heart. Our heart looks like this. What will our heart do, children? Arnav, tell me. Yes, our heart pumps blood. Our heart pumps blood to all the other parts of our body. Next, what is this one? What is this one? This is a stomach. What is this one? This is a stomach. It helps in digesting the food. It helps in digesting the food. Pranav, what is the meaning of digest, ma? Very good. Digesting is nothing but breaking down the food. Okay, children? Next, what is our last important internal organ? Kidneys. Yes, the kidneys look like this. What will they do? They will remove liquid waste from the body in the form of urine. Okay, and we should drink plenty of water to keep our kidneys healthy. Children, you all understood about the internal organs. We have also learned about the external organs. Can you name few external organs, Ishan? Yes? 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 As our friend is telling, eyes, nose, legs, hands, all these are external organs. Okay, children? Now you understood well about our lesson, Amazing Body, right? So, what you will do today? Today, you will take the textbook and read the entire lesson. Okay? While reading, please underline the difficult words. Okay? Because you may feel one word as difficult, I may feel one word as difficult. Right? So what you will do, you will underline whatever the words are difficult for you and come to the next class and you will ask the teacher and learn about those words. Okay, children? So textbook reading is very important for you to recollect what all you have learned throughout the lesson. Okay? You will all do that, right? You will all definitely do that because you are all very good children, isn't it? Okay, children, shall we say bye for today? Bye. See you tomorrow.